Today I'm going to be making some slime. I'm going to be testing a slime thing. But I need a bowl. So I have to try to find one. Where are the soaps that we got that has the sodium?
They're down here. No, they're over here somewhere.
No, but
Or back here.
there, I'm gonna get them all and see what are best.
Hey guys, I have some soap. So I'm on my desk. This is my side.
Yeah, I'll show you my side of the desk.
Not
Right.
that. This is my side. I got my
Up
my
to
little
here
pony.
is my side. I have
and
my
my
iPad and our
art
slimes
here.
because I share my
My
slimes
art
all the
and
time.
my tablet and my
She's
iPad
right there.
Here. And yeah, my slime and
But-
our activator.
So,
And yeah, just
and you're like,
sorry about the lighting. So, oh, the lights not on. That's why. That.
but just seeing if you guys would follow, no, because my phone case is pretty good that it can just.
So,
Nope, not all the time, but normally, yeah. I
I
have some soaps here. I have a body wash, and this
I'm
has
just cleaning this
sodium in it, so it might be pretty good to use. Then I have this cream
I'm just going to
foam
be making
bath.
something today. This isn't a tutorial, so if it fails, it fails, okay?
It has sodium in it, and this isn't a tutorial, by the way. I'm just testing. And this is body scrub that has sodium in it. So I'm gonna see if I can make
So,
some slime
a
today.
spoon, and ignore it, it's all dry, so it's fine. And I got my thing to mix with. Sorry about my hair. It's
So I'm just trying to find a bowl that I can
So-
make it in.
just use any.
It's a waste.
Use it in that.
Oof. That's why I found one.
It has holes in it. Right. You can tape it.
Okay, just wait, guys.
Okay, I need to tape
this.
This is actually a clear soap. So you guys may not be able to see it.
Like holes.
So you're just gonna mix it just to see the texture. And as you can see, it's really jiggly. And it sticks. So now
There, I have to eat my bowl. It's just got a little bit like baby powder in it, but that's okay. So,
mine doesn't.
I'm gonna try the
actually
body
make
scrub
finger
first.
Okay.
Oh, it's already hanging out.
Nice.
So I'm gonna just pour a little bit.
So I'm putting them all in.
And it's clear, same.
This one
So,
isn't really clear.
That's the body
You can see
scrubbing.
that.
Now the body wash.
I'm not putting the body scrub. No. Anyway. No, I
Did you
didn't.
put in the foam bath?
Mhm.
Right, sorry.
There we go.
Just asking.
Um.
Go for it this week.
No.
Okay, there.
What is that?
I've added in every
We're gonna
ingredient.
mix it and just.
And you need
see.
some activator. I'm using some salt because that's what it said on the recipe. I need a spoon.
Okay. I think the body scrub makes it a bit liquidy. But I mean, I'm testing.
Yeah. So I'm gonna
We're
mix.
just gonna add in a little bit of salt because I don't want it to be.
Ugh, this is liquid. I think I'm gonna restart. I'm not adding
Because I
the
don't want
body
to add.
scrub.
Okay, that's not a fail, guys.
This one.
But
was a fail. Put it in here.
So next one. Look at our. Oh, it's all wet.
So put it in here.
I don't wind up dry. No, it's fine.
Yeah, that was just liquid. So this is all fit to feed the babies.
Alright. So,
Okay. Now I'm gonna restart.
clean off the spoon. Yep. So now I'm not adding the body scrub, I'm just
But not these under the clothes.
this. Just adding in there. And the
Okay. So I have a clean bowl. And now I'm not gonna add the body scrub. Cause it's too liquid.
I'm gonna mix it after.
First I'm gonna yeah, so it's definitely not the body wash that's liquidy. Now I'm using the like
Not too much because I just don't want to make a big slime. Because I've got really small containers.
yeah
So yeah,
we're running
definitely
low
not
on
the body wash.
containers, so I'm gonna mix it. Yeah,
Mix it.
it's the body scrub that makes it liquidy, but I'm testing. So
So
this I have put in the foam bath and body wash. But you could just use body scrub and body wash, but
or beef or something.
beef. This, or I don't know. This is the brand name.
Scrub that you can use. Okay.
They all say.
So
So
the things you'll be needing is
yeah.
beef cream foam bath.
So if you want to try this out, you'll need
Beef body wash.
Bathe body wash and Bathe cream foam bath. Just you'll find it on Amazon or something. I don't know. Superdrug, whatever. Okay,
Now
so
once
there we go.
Stir it for a little while.
It's really good.
Okay, I think that's it. I keep finding these hairs everywhere. It's because of this.
Okay, I just put a little pinch of salt in for like,
So just
I mean,
adding
it's
that.
really jiggly because of the foam bath.
You're gonna mix it.
It's okay.
Just as hard as you can.
Mix.
So I think I added too much salt.
How it turned out. So I guess it's slime. I guess it's not slime. Don't really know. It's still slime. If you like this kind of slime, then make it. But I'll need to add like.
So guys,
I'm putting mine in a container. Whoa, I made too much of it.
just color one. So mine's also fail.
Okay, no.